Shares of Upwork up about 11% right now on strong second quarter earnings and a full year revenue guidance raise. Upwork attributing the performance to AI and recent M&A activity. So joining me now is Hayden Brown, CEO of Upwork. Hayden, it's great to have you on, and let's start right there. Beat and raise quarter, what drove it?
We had two big highlights this quarter, Morgan. One was our AI strategies across the website, which are really working. This is where we implement AI solutions for our customers, making it easier and faster for them to get work done. Another AI highlight for us was the growth in our AI categories of work. We see clients doing a lot of work with freelancers to get the AI experts they need. And then finally, as you mentioned, we're seeing a lot of excitement around our enterprise acquisitions we announced this quarter that really set us up for a strong 2026 and beyond.
Interesting. Can clients get enough of those AI workers that have the skills that they need?
We're trying to give them all of those workers. We've got 250,000 AI experts across the globe on our website that have worked with clients just in the past year. So they're helping everyone from local small businesses to some of the biggest names out there really transform their business for this new AI era.
Okay. In terms of that transformation, what are you seeing from your vantage point? We just talked about it with Aaron Levy from Box, but I'd imagine you have some key insights both internally at Upwork and also as you do work with corporate America.
Absolutely. Internally, of course, we're adopting AI across, tons of workflows in the business. We're seeing 35% of our code shipped is actually generated by AI. We're seeing huge improvements in areas like customer support, finance, and accounting. They're all using AI now for things like forecasting. So there's a lot going on internally. I think the bigger story, though, is what's going on in the broader market. We saw on our website categories like prompt engineering up 51% in the quarter, and there continues to be just a ton of demand, not just for AI experts, but also in categories that people thought were going to be wiped out by AI, things like video and animation or bookkeeping, contract law. We're actually seeing those categories grow as clients come in needing human experts who can work with AI models and work with AI to actually make those types of work more effective.
So we just got this softer than expected jobs report last week. You had all these dramatic revisions lower in the months preceding it. The all-in U6 rate, which is sort of the all-encompassing employment rate, actually ticked higher as well. How would you categorize the state of the U.S. labor market right now?
It's still a very volatile macro backdrop, and we've seen that for several quarters now. The most recent BLS report certainly was not a surprise to us because we've seen hiring numbers in general in the industry be lower than in a more normalized macro. I think that's why we are so pleased to be bucking that trend. We had a growth quarter, record profitability, record top-line revenue for a Q2, and that's really against a backdrop that isn't very favorable, both for full-time hiring and for staffing.
We keep hearing about the decline in the labor supply, too. Is that something you're watching closely?
I think that on our platform, we have ample supply. That's actually why we're such a powerful weapon for businesses that are looking for talent that typically they cannot find to work in-house or don't have on their existing payrolls. We provide an alternative with highly skilled people that are highly sought after, but are not in the traditional places where a lot of other businesses have historically looked.
Hayden Brown of Upwork, thanks for joining me. With shares up about 12% right now.